Hey beauty queens, Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays because yes, I am a greedy girl. I love food. I'm excited for the honey ham, my mom's famous smoked turkey, her fried rice. I'm excited to make the mac and cheese and the lasagna and a new recipe. I am just excited, but it's also extremely significant because this is going to be Baby K's very first Thanksgiving. So I'm excited to see how he is at the Thanksgiving table. But more importantly, other than food, I appreciate Thanksgiving because we're able to be around family and express our gratitude to have them in our life. And I want to take this time to express my gratitude for you. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for following me on social media. So let's get to the sale. Thanksgiving weekend, I will have a super duper savings sale. It's going to start on the evening of Thanksgiving. So right after you have Thanksgiving dinner, the sale will start. It'll start at 7 p.m. on Thanksgiving Day, and it'll go through Small Business Saturday, and it will end at 11:59 p.m. on Small Business Saturday. So here are the rules. This is not a traditional sale. I'm online, so the beauty is you don't have to wait in line, and you can take opportunity of this sale right from the convenience of your home, from the convenience of wherever you are, as long as you have a working internet. So here's how it goes. You are going to give me your best offer. So if there's anything that's on the site that you want and you think you can give me an offer for it, give me an offer. Tell me how much you're willing to pay for that item. You have to send me an email just telling me what item you're talking about. Tell me the price that you want to pay. Then I get the email and I have to tell you whether I accept the offer or I denied the offer. If I accepted the offer, right after that, I'm going to send you a PayPal invoice. So you'll get 2 emails from me if I accepted the offer. Email number 1 is going to tell you that I accepted the offer. Email number 2 will be a PayPal invoice from me. Within 24 hours of me accepting that offer, you need to pay. If you do not pay within 24 hours of the offer getting accepted, then I will cancel the whole PayPal invoice, the PayPal request, and the offer will be canceled. So that's how it goes. It's simple, right? And it's super easy, and I want you to have fun with it. So here's a question I know you have. Well, what if there's something that's not on the site but I want it? For example, like a custom wig or a unit like what you're wearing, a crochet crown from the Let's Get Kinky line, and it's not on the site. That's fine. You describe the custom crown that you would like me to make, and you tell me how much you would like to pay for it, and I'll let you know if I accept the offer, and if I do, I'll send you a PayPal invoice, and you need to pay it within 24 hours. So everything needs to be completed within this sale by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday night. So take advantage of this sale. I just really want to express my gratitude for you. I'm thankful for you, and if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be in business. You keep me moving, and I appreciate you. So take advantage of this sale. There will not be another sale like this for the rest of the year, and Christmas I will not be having a sale because I don't plan to be around. I'll be on vacation. So you want to take advantage of this sale. Give me your offer, and if I think your offer is realistic, I will accept it. So you never know. It doesn't hurt to try. This is the perfect opportunity for you to save money and rack up on your hair pieces. So take advantage of the sale. As always, if you have questions, email me, yandel@queensofwigs.com. All the information is below. So if you have questions, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer you. But I look forward to getting your offers in my email on Thanksgiving evening. So I want to wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving. Have a wonderful day.